Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Youth Association, per Second Territorio, launches the new Labs to Learn project, a project funded by the social enterprise Koni Bambini under the 2018 One Step Forward call, which aims to counteract early school dropouts and preventing educational poverty. By increasing the number of young people with difficulties who fulfill compulsory schooling, they access higher education and/or work placement and start a path of personal growth according to their inclination and aspirations. The project therefore aimed at helping around 1,140 minors and adolescents between 11 and 17 years and their families in the cities of Alexandria, BRA, Caselle, Monteferrato, Vercelli and Turin. From its origins, the Salesian charism has set itself the objective of forming good Christians and upright citizens. This implies the creation of processes that lead the person to act responsibly, critically, and consistently in every situation. With the advent of digital culture, formation in digital citizenship is an immediate consequence for Salesian educational action. The Salesian charism inherited from St. John Bosco continues to motivate the Universidad Don Bosco UDB to continue developing initiatives with great attention and a holistic vision of the well-being of the educational community, which includes emotional, mental, and spiritual health, together with the physical well-being of each of its members. At the Don Bosco Center at Juba, South Sudan, where Salesians have a school, a vocational training center, TVET, a parish, a refugee camp for 15,000 internally displaced people, IDP, the Caritas Sisters of Jesus run a health center that serves the beneficiaries of all our large work in Gombo. Caritas Sisters of Jesus are a member of the Salesian family since 1986. The Japan-born Sisters Congregation 1937, with almost 1,000 members, is witnessing the gospel in 16 different countries in all 5 continents. The Salesians of Don Bosco, Japan Province, GIA, held the Provincial Mission Day on 11th October Sunday to advance the commemoration of the World Mission Day, which falls the following Sunday. The said event was also held in line with the memorial of Venerable Father Vincenzo Simati SDB, the pioneer for Salesian mission to Japan, whose 55th anniversary of death was remembered on 6th October. On Saturday, 24th October, the Salesians in initial formation from the Great Britain Province, GBR, gathered online for a time of fraternity and reflection. There are 13 Salesians from 6 provinces who continue their formation in the GBR province. Some are doing university studies, others are in the internship phase, and 2 are approaching ordination. On 24th October, in the Archdiocese Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes, Monsieur Midifili Bilones, Auxiliary Bishop of Cebu, presided over the presbyterial ordination of Salesian Erwin Joey E. Cabilan in the presence of Godofredo Atesiana, Superior of the South Philippines Province, FIS. The Salesian missionary intention for the month of November is in the light of the prayer intention of the Holy Father. The congregation through the Rector Major is therefore requesting everyone to pray for the Salesian universities so that they promote science, putting it at the service of the human being. The feast to commemorate the beginning of the oratory in Bra was held in recent weeks at the Salesian institutions of Bra, with the mandate to the catechist and animators to imitate Don Bosco. In the morning, Holy Mass celebrated by the director, Father Alessandro Borsello and Don Lovia Sola, in charge of the oratory, in the courtyard of the institution with the theme of the pastoral care for our world. On the 25th October 2020, Father Paul Olfindro Lingkot, Salesian Provincial of Shillong, released the book Kajing Im Jong U Blessed Carlo Acutis Jong Kamilan on the life of Blessed Carlo Acutis. It was translated to Khasi from an Italian book, Carlo Acutis, 15 Anni di Amiciazza Don Dio, which was authored by Umberto Di Vanna. It was released at the premises of Maulai Parish. The book releasing ceremony took place in the midst of a sizable audience. Dr. Rosa Maulong, PhD Khasi, was the language editor, while Father Roy Parakal and Father Jose Varicasaril were the co-translators. Brother John Colombi, the guest of honor, was responsible to acquire the required permission to translate the book from Italian to Khasi. The target group for the translated works were the young people, school children, computer lovers, digital experts and program makers, and the children preparing to receive their first Holy Communion. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for watching.